Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video today, we'll be talking on how we can move our Pi coins to an exchange. The exchange we are going to be using today is Bitget exchange. So if you don't have one, go to the Apple Store or Google Play Store to download one for yourself. The process is pretty simple and the verification also is pretty simple. So let's dive in. First thing first, we are going to launch the Bitget exchange. And on this Bitget exchange, we are going to get our deposit address. So we wait for it to load. And once it loads, we are going to tap on either add funds or assets. But let me make use of the asset tab. After tapping on the assets tab, the asset page will open. Here is the asset page. Tap on add funds at the top of the screen. And here it is. So when you tap on add funds, the add fund page will appear. Now we are going to be depositing crypto. So you tap on deposit crypto. Yeah. Now, once you tap on the deposit crypto, you'll be taken to the crypto page to select a coin. You allow it to load. Then you type in Pi on this search bar here. So tap in Pi. And here it is. So you tap on it. Now you wait for the deposit address to show. And here is the Pi deposit address. So you just copy it. Just tap on or copy to copy it. So now we have successfully copied our deposit address on Bitget exchange. So now we are going to head over to Pi browser. Yes, we are going to make use of Pi browser to be able to move our coins from Pi browser to Bitget exchange. So once you launch Pi browser, you wait for the browser to load and the menus to appear. Now you will have a lot of options here when it fully loads. So I'm going to show you the right option to pick. And as you can see, we have a lot of tabs here. So what we are going to use is the wallet tab. Yeah. So here is the wallet tab. So you just have to tap on it. After tapping on the wallet tab, you will need to enter your passphrase, your 24-word passphrase, if you have it. So if you don't have 24-word passphrase, that means that you have not activated it, so you have to do that. If you have activated unlocking with fingerprint, just as I have, you can unlock with your fingerprint. So all you have to do is to tap on unlock with fingerprint. And then you unlock with your fingerprint. And we wait for it to load. And here is our wallet dashboard. Now, for every new coins that come into your wallet, it will be on the migrations. So if the wallet have just been migrated, if the coins have just been migrated into your wallet, all you have to do is first go to migrations. Once you go to migrations, you will see the coins that have just been migrated here. So you have to tap on the coin and tap move so that it will be moved to your available balance. If not, if you try to move the coins, just like that on exchange, you won't be you'll be receiving the alert that your available balance is low. So once you tap on the coins, you move to available balance, the coins will be migrated to your available balance. So once it has been migrated to your available balance, you can be able to withdraw your coin. So now we are going to withdraw our coins from here. So what we are going to do is to select the pay/request. So we have to tap on it, pay/request. Once we tap on pay/request, you have to tap on manually add address. I have other addresses here that I've added. I have the gate.io, I still have the Bitget, but I just want to show you how to manually add your address. So you have to click on this manually add your wallet address. So once you click on manually add your wallet address, now you'll be asked how many you want to. So we are going to take 61.8. These are the number of pies we want to withdraw. So address wallet, we have to paste in our address. I can select my address from this wallet, but let me just paste the one I just copied. So this is the one I just copied. You can see it is still the same as the Bitget from here. So what I'm going to do now is to click send. Now a confirmation message will appear. So if you are indeed certain that everything is okay, you click confirm. And transfer succeeded. So you close and go back to our Bitget to see if we have an incoming transfer of coin. Normally you are going to see a message telling you that you have an incoming coin. So let's see if we have any. So for now, there is no notification, so we just have to wait. We just have to wait to see if there will be any notification. But for now, there is no notification of any incoming coins which will have been displayed. Okay, already the balance have reflected. So as you can see now, the balance have been increased. That means that the coins have been successfully deposited into the wallet. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, do so by clicking on the subscribe button, like this video, share with your friends so that whenever I drop a new video, you will see. Tap on the notification bell also. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.